What are we going to do with this?
Oh, no.
You want the truth?
I saw you shaking it really well.
Where do you think it came from?
Watch and find out.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan, Derek, and Ian are going to make for you the cocktail. It's called the Pearl Diver. This is a classic recipe from back in the day. The Pearl Diver was created by Don Beach back in like 1930s. I got history coming up.
Dave's not here, man.
I'm going to break down the recipe for you so that you know what we're making. It's going to be 1.5 ounces of dark rum, or as they call it for aged column stilled rum. Well, come on. It's just going to be dark rum. Pick your favorite dark rum. Basically, column still clears things out, so it's not going to have a lot of flavor, so you want something flavorful. Demerara rum, 1/2 ounce. 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice, 1/2 ounce of fresh orange juice, freshly pressed by Dan and myself.
Yes.
1/2 ounce of Don's Gardenia mix, 1 dash of Angostura bitters, and then if you're crazy and you have these things, and an edible orchid and a pineapple leaf. I don't got those, so we're going to work without it. You're going to want a blender of some type. I'm going to use this little immersion guy here just to agitate this, because you're going to use crushed ice, so you just got to chill it down. You don't need to like grind the ice any further. They'll just turn into water. That'd be bad.
Yeah.
The secret ingredient is BG Reynolds Gardenia mix. You can make your own if you type Gardenia mix DIY and come up with the Gardenia mix recipe, but I am super lazy. Plus, I sell this at AwesomeDrinks.com. So if you use coupon code Tiki2020, you can save yourself 20%. Buy yourself some Gardenia mix, some fashionable syrups, and other crap that you need.
So much easier. So much easier.
This is complicated. So this arrived and I thought it was broken because there's coconut cream in here and it gets hard when it's not warm. So I put it in the microwave for 20 seconds so we can actually move it.
Am I putting the ice that I crushed into here?
You probably shall. Okay. Yeah, and then we're going to just add.
Really?
Why?
Did you put that in there?
Yep.
Yeah. So he mixed all those ingredients already. This took us a lot longer when I made them at the pool last week. Granted, I was making a serving set of like 6.
Yeah. See, he's quick. Now we do it.
Yeah.
Boom!
Boom! Yeah, you want more? Throw it in!
That was it.
No, do it all. It's fine. It's fine. Do it!
How long have we mixed it for?
You could bring it down a peg. There you go.
Mix it till it stops shooting in your eyes.
That's the BG Reynolds mix.
Yeah.
It's good?
Yeah!
Do we want to pour over crushed ice too?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just because
Crushed
I
ice. You
I
have
made
more?
more than I probably should have.
Yeah, but you're probably going to need it. What are you looking for?
Did you want to just pour it in, or do you want to?
Yeah. Why not? I have no place for this.
And they yell at me for not doing stuff in front of camera.
Yeah, what are you doing? It's all up behind everything. Right here. Oh my god.
There's a lot of shit over there.
But look at all the whoa, it's moving. See, like,
It looks like a pus bubble.
yeah, it's got like the.
It's cool.
I said yeah, but that's not
That's
what
delicious, yeah.
No, it's the foam from from coconut and the oils
Yes.
leaving a cool residue.
No,
This.
I just get in trouble. You do it.
So, for those that wonder what
gotta
could
know, look
possibly
really-
be in this
I'm
thing,
an enabler. I'm not a doer.
cane sugar. First off, coconut cream, cane sugar, orange blossom honey, and that's pretty much it. And then like some preservatives. So basically, it's a cool coconut. It's like cream of coconut, but with a bunch of other added cool flavors, being honey and sweetness and more sweetness and sugar. So you take sugar, honey, and coconut. Boom. You would normally put this in a Pearl Diver glass.
It's good.
Yep, it's good. Tastes like a pus bubble.
It's better than a pus bubble,
Well, that's good.
in my experience.
Good.
Gross.
What's going on?
She's snorting.
Already.
It's got rum flavor to it for days. There's a lot of rum in there.
Oh, there's rum in it.
There's a,
But
it's
I was hoping it would have a rum flavor.
It's strong. It's
It's
it.
legit.
Why am I getting like a
It's weird. It's
clove?
rum flavor.
Is there?
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, maybe it's
Is
just.
it this rum?
It's gotta be the Yango. No, the rum didn't. I tried the rum. It doesn't have any clove in it.
Is it
No?
from this?
I don't. It doesn't have any
No.
clove in
It's had an interesting smell to it.
it. So this was created
It
in the
tastes a little bit different
1930s.
than when
Okay.
we drank it at the
Please
pool.
hear that stuff.
What's
It
that?
shouldn't. Except that we had it on harder ice. Maybe it might not have.
Has this been
cold.
sitting out in the sun for a while, or
Yeah. Oh.
it's got like a sour taste to it? Is it supposed to?
Is it not good?
The ingredients. It has citric acid.
Oh, okay. It's okay though.
Some other weird stuff to it.
Not really making me want to drink that drink.
What?
No, we made drinks with that.
Sour.
You already had it.
That
Didn't you have it?
It's got allspice oil in it.
Yeah.
Huh?
That's
Allspice oil.
that's what.
Oh,
that's what's
allspice oil.
Yeah.
I stopped reading the instructions when I saw citric acid.
Ingredients.
Allspice oil.
All the above.
Pronunciation key.
Did I say something wrong?
Vocabulary.
Was I not? Maybe I'm drunk. I just had 2 sips of this.
Must be.
I could be destroyed.
Yeah, it could be off your rocker. There's a lot of rum.
It's good.
There's a lot of rum tasting.
Yeah.
It's not sweet, but it's
Definitely tiki-ish.
yeah.
You know what? It would be.
It has that like bitter.
Yeah. You know what I think that a lot of that is there's a lot of alcohol. I mean, there's 2 ounces of alcohol and just like the rest of this random crap. Like there's, you know, when we were building this thing in sets of like servings of 6, you're going through like a crap load. I started toning back some of the alcohol because it was kind of like.
Oh yeah, you go through a lot of rum.
You stop tasting it because it's sweet and you're
right.
hot,
Like
and
at
the more
some
you drink,
point,
you stop tasting the alcohol.
you got to like slow down a little bit, and not murder everybody at the pool. If you've been to the the Mai Kai in Florida, Fort Lauderdale, their original the original head bartender mixologist is Mariano, who is the bar back or maybe the head bartender under Don Beach. So Don Beach, Empire, big tiki guy, right? His next in charge was this guy, Mariano. Mariano leaves because Mai Kai's like, let's pull the best we can get. We can't get Don Beach because he's like the leader. Take his guy that's under him, move him over there, and then all of a sudden new drinks were formed with different names. So I think what was it? It's the...
Maybe there's some shady business going on is what you're saying.
Yeah, it's a little bit of shady business. It was called the... What was it? I thought I put... The Deep Sea Diver. So
We did that before, didn't we?
No, I've wanted to, but I didn't have Gardenia mix.
Oh.
I may have made something years and years and years ago, but it's
What's
not...
the Midori one I'm thinking of? Isn't there a Midori drink? Not the Pearl Diver, but it's...
Pearl Harbor?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking of. I think.
Yeah, that's a different drink.
It
That's
is.
like a vodka and Midori and pineapple juice.
Yes, completely different. That's what I was expecting at first when I saw Pearl.
That does make sense. But, I mean, this makes the tiki because it's got the right color, it's got the complicated ingredients, and it's got a lot of rum in it. So, like, right there is tiki.
And it's got that like bitter, like all tikis have that.
Without the grapefruit, it's probably got a little bit of lime. The other thing is, it kind of it reminds me of the Painkiller, but not as sweet. Like, the Painkiller
It's a different sweetness. That's a pineapple sweetness.
Right.
And this is a coconut sweetness.
Right, and that has the coconut pineapple blend, so you're still getting that tasty coconut, but this doesn't give you that over-the-top sweetness of that Painkiller. Right. So if you want to like a Painkiller, but they're too sweet,
Well, you get
then this might be...
the sour in here.
Yeah, Painkiller's got no balance. It's just like forward, right in your face, just plow your face down with sugar.
Caribbean cocktail.
Yeah. Yeah, it's weird. So, tasted in 1930s, plus you can buy that stuff on awesomedrinks.com. And if you're like, Derek, you just made this cocktail just to hawk the product. Not true. Always wanted to make the cocktail. Also always wanted to hawk the product. But it wasn't, Blair didn't create it until like this year. So, you couldn't get it. You had to go make your own. So the minute he came out with that, I was like, I'm going to finally be able to make this cocktail. And then I'm going to finally be able to sell the product. And other than that, it does a little shitty business.
That's just a little low.
You should make your own. You don't like it? Fuck you. Go to Amazon. You can spend more for that bottle. I don't care. Actually, he might not sell it on Amazon.
Wow.
Well, whatever.
That came out
Stop
fast.
digging your grave, buddy.
Yeah, it's all good. It's all good.
I'm just trying to say, I don't fucking care about you.
Shit. Holy shit.
Before we sign out, executive producer.
Did you get him angry?
Yeah,
I don't think so.
I can wind myself up like that.
Damn.
He's rambunctious.
Livia Neves.
He knows what
I
that
think.
means now.
Yeah, it's full of energy. I looked it up. He gave me the pronunciation key. Olivia just became a YouTube member most recently, so there's a little join button. Click it. You can become a YouTube member. If not, you can go to patreon.com/CMC and do it there.
Don't forget the coupon code, which is Tiki2020. It's good till August 15th, 2020.
20% off.
Yep.
To buy stuff.
AwesomeDrinks.com.
That's right. Bartender starter kit below. Sidebar, more videos. Oh, that was awesome. It went right over your eyes.
See? Boom.
Can't do it again. Oh, well. We're T-shining.